Hello there people and welcome to my new review. In this review we will test how to get FC Mobile points absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on FC Mobile. So it should load up and then we will enter our FC Mobile user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple and it's the only thing that we will actually enter here, so you don't have to worry. Just click continue after this and it will start searching for our user account. And you should get this user found. So there we go. Now we will select our desired amount of our points. I will select currently the maximum and click continue. So guys, third step will load up and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. And let's see what we'll get after this. There we go. API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there are many bots and malicious attempts. Just click I'm not a robot, guys, and let's see what we'll get after this. And there we go. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID is connected and our points are sent. There we go, guys. Now we will close this page and we will open our FC Mobile game to see are we actually getting our points. So guys, before you get this verification successful page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe and you can complete it under 2 minutes of your time. So after you see this page, just close it and open your FC Mobile game. Let's test, guys. Is it actually working or it's another cap? Okay, so still loading up. Let me see. Okay, let's wait for this loading screens, guys, and then let's see, are we actually getting it? And there we go. We're actually getting our points, guys. I cannot believe that it actually worked. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Almost 1 million for free. I'm so excited because appsneak.com was the only working website so far for getting this FC Mobile points, guys. I cannot believe that it actually worked. So if you want me to send you FC Mobile points, just comment down below your user ID and amount that you would like to get, and I will send it for you. Just comment down below and like this video, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.